Hey guys, Terry from Heavy Hitch here again. Just wanted to run through a couple of things that we have for our snow blowers, the Stage 2 John Deere snow blowers, like what we have right over here. That's mine. So if you guys are looking for a wear bar that we sell, it matches everything the same as John Deere's. It's just ours is AR400. So it does last a little bit longer, quite a bit longer, about double the life, if not a little bit more. But one thing, because it is the AR, we've had some people that have called in and asked about it. But being that it is harder, it does bowl a little bit, down. So what you'll have to do is just put in your bolts and just tighten up the bolts a little bit each way. It takes a little bit longer to put on, but it lasts 2 to 3 times longer than the factory one. So that bowl is, I'm sure there's a way around it, but where we currently get it done at our press brake is brand new, but it's not heavy enough or enough tonnage to do it. So that's always had a little bowl in it. That's normal. We've been selling that for years. Just kind of wanted to highlight that a little bit, but it will match right up. AR400 lasts a lot longer. With all of our wear bars, which I'm going to talk about the other ones here in a minute, but with the state, we do send all the hardware that goes with it. So it seems like after you flip this once, you're going to start wearing into the nut a little bit or into the thread. So I mean, we just send it with them, so it's easy to replace and all that. So with that, I just wanted to show the snowblower a little bit, just kind of where they go, how they go on. The wear bar is down here, so you have to replace it under there or whatever. So put a few bolts in, tighten them up a little bit, work that bowl out of it. Haven't had anybody snap any bolts off or anything like that. Just take it easy, a little bit at a time, and everything should work out for you. So with that, just want to let you know what we have for the Stage 2 snowblower. So thanks.